What items of machines are used to weld pleated filter cartridges? The production of pleated filter cartridges is a highly technical process that requires precision, efficiency, and reliable equipment. One of the most critical steps is the welding of pleated filter cartridges, where different machine systems are used to ensure strong bonding between components, such as filter media, end caps, and inner cores, to achieve consistent quality. Manufacturers rely on a range of specialized machines designed for welding operations. Mainly for welding machines, as followers are necessary. The first machine is Filter Cartridge Basic End Cap Welder. A filter basic end cap welder is a specialized machine designed to bond plastic end caps onto pleated filter cartridges. It uses controlled heating technologies, such as infrared or hot plating, to melt thermoplastic surfaces and create a strong, leak-proof seal. This machine ensures precise alignment, stable welding performance, and reliable cartridge quality in filter production. The second machine is Filter Cartridge Length Joint Welder. A filter length joint welder is a machine used to weld two or more pleated filter sections together, creating cartridges of extended length. It applies precise heating and pressure to fuse thermoplastic parts, ensuring strong, uniform, and leak-free joints while maintaining cartridge integrity for demanding filtration applications. The third machine is Filter Cartridge Adapter Welder. A filter adapter welder is a specialized machine used to attach adapters or connectors onto pleated filter cartridges. By applying controlled heat and pressure, it ensures a secure, leak-tight bond between the cartridge body and adapter. This process guarantees compatibility with housings, reliable sealing performance, and consistent quality in various industrial and laboratory filtration systems. The fourth machine is Filter Middle Seam Welder. A filter middle seam welder is designed to weld the central seam of pleated filter cartridges, joining pleated media edges or sections with precision. Using controlled heating technology, it creates a durable, uniform seam that prevents leakage and maintains structural integrity. This machine is essential for producing strong, reliable pleated filter cartridges for critical filtration applications. The welding of pleated filter cartridges requires specialized equipment, ranging from basic end cap welding, length joint welding, adapter welding, and middle seam welding. Each machine plays a vital role in ensuring durability, leak-free performance, and production efficiency. Selecting the right welding machines is crucial for manufacturers who want to deliver reliable and high-quality pleated filter cartridges to the market.